This is the story of a journey that began more than 100 years ago. The tale of a small river steam workshop founded in 1884, which made its mark during the Second World War by constructing, converting and repairing more than 4,000 vessels, and today has grown into India's premier shipbuilding company, manufacturing state-of-the-art warships. This is the story about Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited. Back in April 1960, GRSE rose to become one of the first companies to acquire the PSU status in the defense industry. It also became a key partner to the Indian Navy, Indian Coast Guard, and other organizations for delivering vessels for defense and non-defense applications. GRSE has delivered more than 100 warships, which is the highest number of warships delivered by any Indian shipyard till date. With the delivery of the first ever indigenous warship for the Indian Navy, INS Ajay, a seaworth defense boat in 1961, to the first ever patrol vessel for Indian Coast Guard, CGS Rajhans, from the first ever indigenous survey vessel, INS Sandhayak, first indigenous landing ship tank, INS Magar, to the only indigenous 24,600-ton fleet replenishment tanker in India, INS Aditya, from guided missile corvette, INS Kora, the P-16 Alpha guided missile frigate, INS Brahmaputra, to P-28 Kamorta-class anti-submarine warfare corvettes, which became India's first warships, built with indigenously developed warship-grade steel and achieved the distinction of 90% indigenous content. GRSE's journey continued to also become the first integrator of carbon composite superstructure with steel hull onboard 3rd and 4th ASW corvettes for Indian Navy. 90% indigenous content yet again on board in-house design landing craft utility Mark IV ships built for the Indian Navy. From frigates, missile and ASW corvettes, landing ship tanks, landing craft utilities, survey vessels, offshore and inshore patrol vessels, waterjet fast attack crafts, hovercrafts, from 5-ton boats to 24,600-ton fleet tanker, the repertoire of GRSE is rich and varied. The in-house designed first ever warship built in India and exported overseas, multi-role offshore patrol vessel CGS Barracuda for Mauritius. In keeping with Vision Sagar of the Government of India, GRSE's fast patrol vessel SCG PS Zoroaster was handed over by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to the President of the Republic of Seychelles, His Excellency Vaval Ramkalawan. GRSE renewed India's 185-year-old tie with Guyana through delivery and commissioning of MV Malisha, an ocean-going passenger cum cargo ferry vessel in April 2023. Modernization of infrastructure with integrated shipbuilding facility, in line with the best in the world, has enhanced the capacity across GRSE's 3 shipbuilding production locations at Main Works Unit, Fitting Out Unit and Rajabagan Dockyard Unit to construct 20 ships concurrently, including 8 large and 12 medium to small ships. GRSE has a strong order book, including the prestigious order for 3 advanced 6,700-ton frigates P-17 Alpha. GRSE is also executing other prestigious projects. Over 60 years of human expertise in design and production of ships aids GRSE to continue on its growth path 100 highly skilled and multidisciplined design engineers develop concepts and detailed designs for ships that cater to current and future requirements of the Indian Navy and Indian Coast Guard. A future-ready virtual reality lab, latest software and state-of-the-art production technologies, along with a highly skilled workforce, enhances the operational efficiency of the shipyard. As a diversified organization, GRSE has constructed over 5,500 portable steel bridges for India and friendly neighborhood countries to provide connectivity at difficult terrains and for disaster management. From marine diesel engine assembling, overhauling, repair and testing, manufacturing tech machinery items to skill development training, GRSE is truly leading the way to cater to both the maritime and land forces. The Defence Minister's Award for Best In-House Design Effort for CGS Barracuda for Government of Mauritius. Defence Minister's Award 2022 for designing the most silent ship for ASW shallow water operations, along with the trophy for Best Performing Shipyard for 4 years in a row, and other prestigious awards. With all this and more, GRSE today is a listed ISO and PCMM Level 2 certified organization. On the CSR front, GRSE's Skill India, Swachh Bharat and COVID relief initiatives make sure GRSE gives back to the society. In keeping with the GRSE business model, we are focused on our key core vertical: shipbuilding, ship repairs, engineering, marine diesel engine production. And this is just the beginning.